First thing you do is locate the hole in the selectifier that this goes in. Put that in the hole, and with this set screw, tighten it down and generally locate this in the position that you think it needs to be. The next step with this hanging from here will be to hang this in a similar location. Here we go. All right, so you just drop these in sideways like that and spin them, holding this little rubber tab right here, and then using this tool to align it. Drop another one in on the side, let it spin, and then just try to twist it in place. Get them somewhat level, even height-wise. Put your piece up there and bring it up top here, Dave. And then line it up with one hole. Turn it clockwise with your finger. Line it up with the other hole. Turning it clockwise with your finger. Then you should be able to slide it up and down into position that you want before you tighten these too much. And then when you get it into position, clockwise tightens them. And then once you get it all aligned, clamp it down with this other end and just give it a good snug twist. Make sure it's in the slot all the way before you twist it, and then turn it. And this will be solid. Drop in the 2 T-nuts into the slot, line them up, finger tighten the screws. Slide this up to meet this. If need be, this will turn to find the proper location. And once that is aligned with that, tighten these screws with this Allen wrench. In a clockwise rotation. When this is properly aligned, loosen these top screws to where this slides. This should mate on here perfectly, like that. And slide this down, tighten, tighten. So now that is perfectly aligned. This should not have to move at this point. If it's, you want to look at it and make sure it's level. If it's good, we'll tighten these down. The next step will be to drop in 2 more T-nuts, like we did up here. Holding onto the rubber tail and aligning it with this little Allen wrench. It'll stay in place. Get them as even as possible. And then finger tighten 2 more screws into those nuts in a clockwise rotation. Once those are somewhat tight, now we can slide this up and down to where we need it. Next step will be to put this funnel in the ring. Slide this up into the top, and then slide this bottom piece up to mate it. And then as this all tightens up and aligns, we will secure these screws as well. And when that's in the proper position, we'll tighten these down, make them nice and snug in a clockwise rotation. Now the entire thing is secure. This will spin Now we'll put on the gate. Using this tiny Allen wrench, we'll put it into this Allen set screw. We're going to line this set screw up with one of these dimples on the funnel. Slide that in. Clockwise rotation, spin it in until it's snug with your fingers. And then we'll do the exact same thing for the left side. Just barely snug, and now it's complete. Make sure that's horizontal. If this does not line up properly and it has to be something like this, I've also included some smaller spacers that you can put in to take up that gap, like that. Hopefully there'll be something to get you close to what you're looking for. Make sure the screen is in there in position, and it's ready to go.